My name is Angelo Van Toorn. I've been teaching here as an executive baker for Academy of Pastry Arts Malaysia for close to 6 years. I'm from the United States. I've trained in Four Seasons hotels and Michelin star restaurants, and I'm a graduate of Johnson & Wales University. Our online program, compared to the full-time program, will give you just about the same experience. Everything that we're teaching in our full-time class with our full-time students will be exactly the same thing that we'll be teaching online, plus more. The only great thing that gives you the convenience to do it on your own time, with your own schedule, from your own place of work. Hi, I'm Chef Angelo Van Toorn, and I'll be your chef at APCA Chefs Online.